Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on LCX. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about LCX. Now, this is a crypto that I've been stacking a little bit of over time, and I can't stop buying it at these prices because this is one crypto I feel that's going to definitely skyrocket at some point. Tokenized bonds are here to revolutionize fixed income investments. And we see here, this is the differences between tokenized bonds and traditional bonds. Access to liquidity. Tokenized bonds provide investors with easier access to liquidity as they can be traded on blockchain-based platforms. Investors can buy them and sell them 24/7 without the need for intermediaries. In contrast, traditional bonds are typically traded on secondary markets, which can be less liquid and may require the involvement of intermediaries. Enhanced transparency. Tokenized bonds are highly transparent as all transactions are recorded on the blockchain. This makes it easier for investors to track the ownership of the bond. In contrast, traditional bonds may be less transparent as they are typically traded on secondary markets and ownership may be more difficult to track. Regulations. Tokenized bonds may be subject to regulatory issues as they are a relatively new form of asset and the regulatory framework is still developing. In contrast, traditional bonds are subject to established regulatory frameworks, which may provide investors with more certainty and protection. But LCX is going above and beyond, and they're fixing this. Discover the benefits of buying the LCX token. As a regulated company, LCX has been driving innovation in the crypto space, and the LCX token is a key part of its ecosystem. LCX Exchange, reduction of up to 50% trading fees at LCX compliant digital asset exchange. DeFi terminal, get full access, including usage of our second layer DeFi protocol to enable limited orders on Uniswap. This is why you should be holding LCX. Timons, to buy Timons. On the Timons marketplace, you need to have LCX tokens. Token sales, pay fees in relation to token sales, hosted or powered by LCX technology. That's why people are going to continue buying LCX. They need it to use the exchange and beyond. And there's going to be more options in the future that are going to also need you to hold LCX tokens. Now, I'm going to share a long thread with you from Monty Mensker. And the reason I'm going to share this with you is because it has to do with staking. And right now, because of the SEC, a lot of staking is stopping at some places. Now, LCX, again, it looks like it's pushing forward with this. Looks like it's going to improve it over time as well. So what is staking in the crypto industry? It's a process where individuals hold coins to support network security and validate transactions, earning rewards in the form of new tokens or transaction fees. And a lot of people asked me in an XRP video yesterday, they said, how are we going to earn passive income in the future if we can't trust the exchanges? Well, I think once regulations come, I think that's going to change a lot of things. You're not going to have the rug pulls that you have today. Staking helps secure networks and incentivizes users to validate transactions, preventing malicious actors. Staking is becoming a popular and more POS networks emerge. However, not all crypto tokens claiming to offer staking rewards are legitimate. Don't fall for fake staking programs that lack a true POS mechanism and may not have the same tech infrastructure as true staking. These fake staking programs pretend to offer a technical feature, but there is actually no underlying process which would justify this offering. Not all crypto tokens claiming to offer staking rewards are legitimate, with some taking the form of marketing rewards, community bonuses, or financial securities offering yields. Now, sometimes you'll go and you'll see something on crypto Twitter where you could earn like 70% just for staking. Right there should tell you there's a problem. If they're offering above and beyond what everybody else is offering, there's a problem there. If it's too good to be true, most likely it is. In these cases, the rewards offered under the guise of staking are simply marketing tactics or financial incentives rather than a true reward for supporting the network's security. In some cases, these fake staking programs may also carry higher risk and may be more susceptible to fraud or mismanagement. This serves as a reminder that it's important to understand the underlying product and regulatory framework when considering investments, even in the cryptocurrency industry. The one thing about LCX, they already went through the regulation stage overseas. Now, here in the US, Gary even called LCX a security at some point. That made me want to buy more of it, honestly. But because of that, it's a little bit harder to use that exchange. A lot of people say you have to jump through extra hoops when investing through LCX. But I like that because here's if they went above and beyond, got regulated, and they're a secure exchange, that's going to make me want to hold my crypto there in the future. Maybe I could earn passive income through LCX in the future. While the others use blockchain and tokenization can bring new opportunities, it's crucial to ensure that these products are offered in a responsible and regulated manner to protect the interest of investors and promote the growth of the industry as a whole. Now, the industry can't push forward if we keep having catastrophes such as the fall of FTX and Luna crashing out and other instances that happened in crypto as well. It has to be more stable. It can't be volatile. You know, everybody always said, "Well, I would get into crypto if it wasn't so volatile and there wasn't all these rug pulls happening." That needs to stop so crypto could advance forward. Monty gets it. For example, you can't stake the euro currency, and any other offering on a yield on euro is likely to be financial product that needs to comply with regulations. Understanding the underlying product and regulatory framework is crucial when considering investments in crypto, blockchain, and tokenization can bring new opportunities, but must be offered in a responsible manner. Integrity matters, balancing innovation and regulation. In the case of LCX, we decided to offer a fixed yield earning product for Euro, a tokenized Euro bond called EURT7. We have taken the necessary steps to ensure that their product is a regulated and compliant financial security. The LCX Security Prospectus has been endorsed by the regulator and passported across 30 countries in the European Economic Area. LCX has demonstrated their commitment to follow best practices and protecting the interest of their investors. They actually care about the people that invest there. Yesterday, we announced that LCX issues a 10 million euro tokenized bond available in the European Economic Area, making the new fixed yield tokenized bond available to verified LCX users in 30 countries, including Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, and Denmark. The list continues on and on. They haven't got it here in the US yet, though. As part of our commitment to transparency and compliance, we are requesting to make all relevant documents, including the security prospectus and its translated versions, available to the public. These documents serve as a comprehensive guide to the 10 million euro EURT7 tokenized bond, including terms, risk, and conditions. LCX aims to foster trust and confidence in the investment community and maintain our leadership position in the tokenization of capital markets. Now, you can see the difference between the way Monty talks and the way CZ at Binance talks. Monty actually, I feel, wants to look out for the customer. LCX spearheads the tokenization of capital markets and digital securities, but it's not easy and takes time. We planned this project in mid-2021 and filed the prospectus in January of 2022, now finally endorsed by the regulator on February 1st of this year. And I also feel that as time goes on, we're going to see a lot of exchanges move over to being regulated exchanges, because how is a normal exchange going to compete with a regulated exchange in the future when you keep seeing problem after problem in crypto? What makes this EURT7 tokenized bond offering by LCX so special besides offering 7% yield? You take notice, it's not some astronomical number. That's how you know it's legit. Is that it is available to retail investors in EEA and not limited to accredited or institutional investors. LCX is on a mission to redefine finance as we know. Take notice how he even made it available to me or you. The EURT7 token has a minimum investment requirement of 1,000 euros, thus limiting the maximum number of investors to 10,000. To take advantage of this LCX fixed yield offering, users need to get verified at lcx.com and deposit funds. LCX Earn, with its first product offering, the EURT7 tokenized bond, will be launched and available at LCX platform on March 1st of 2023. And that's why I invest in LCX. Everything is on the up and up. It's not some shady cryptocurrency company. They're continuing to push forward everything the way their partnerships are with QNT, pushing forward. As time goes on, LCX is going to emerge as one of the greatest cryptocurrencies out there. It's just a matter of time. We are so damn early. We will be at Where will we be at in 5 years? Go back 5 years to 2018. Things looked entirely different, right? We have a lot of individuals that will work patiently 40 years for retirement, and most people can't even wait 5 years. You know what's great about crypto? People come in and they think it's a get rich quick scheme. They think they could invest this month, and by next month, they're a multimillionaire and they're retiring. But think about it. If there was no crypto, people would continue working 40 years, 40 plus years to get to retirement. Crypto can retire you early, especially now more than ever, because the fourth industrial revolution is here. And if you invest in the right way within the next 5 years, you could be retired. You could have all the financial freedom that you could ever want. But you have to invest in the right way. I only invest in ISO coins, utility driven coins, because early on I was dumb. I chased down memes and I lost quite a bit of money doing it at the same time. Then I got smart. I looked at the projects that are out there, how they're building and growing, where they're going to be 5 years from now. LCX is going to be a powerhouse. Let me tell you, if you're still overlooking this crypto, you need to really take a good look at it because Monty is one of the greatest CEOs in all of crypto, in my opinion. And he's going to take LCX to all new heights in the future. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.